Political debate has now struck after Bihar Minister Dr. Prem Kumar has blamed the 12 recent cases of bridge collapse incidents on the former RJD government and has said that only the ones during the RJD tenure are crumbling. But as the political fight continues, it is hard to ignore the fact that 12 bridges have collapsed in the past 15 days in Bihar. The common people, of course, continue to suffer. Going above the political finger pointing, what really is the reason for all these bridge collapses and why exactly are there so many cases, especially during the monsoon season? We try to find out. I have with me Debyan Das, Senior Civil Engineer, joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Das, thank you so much for taking our time to speak to NewsX. We've just elaborated how within the past 2 weeks there have been 12 bridges that have collapsed in Bihar. And as I said, that there is at this point in time a lot of fingers that are being pointed at previous governments. The current government is trying to shift the blame. Officials are talking about desilting processes and that hinting at possible corruption in the contracts that were awarded as far as these bridges are concerned. But I want to understand from you, upon first glance, sir, what do you think are the possible reasons as to why the quality of these bridges has emerged to be so poor, especially during the heavy rainfall season?
See, all I can see is the quality of work and the quality of construction materials used while these bridges are being made, because most of the bridges are collapsing while they are being made. This is really a matter of concern, that what materials are being used and the quality of work. So I believe there's definitely bad materials being used, and the quality of work is also very, very, very bad.
Mr. Das, if you could elaborate further, sir, for our viewers. You know, we're not all civil engineers here. We don't really understand the workings or mechanisms of it entirely. But like you said, that it does, of course, seem like shoddy work. But if you were to look at some of the visuals and perhaps try to analyze and assess what really has gone wrong, who exactly is to blame here? Is it clearly and simply the contractors in these matters? Is that what the government also now needs to be looking at? And does the public also now need to raise its voice against those who were awarded these contracts for these bridges?
I believe during the construction of these bridges, certain measures are to be taken. Like the water needs to be stopped. All I can see is floods and water while the construction of bridges are being done. Usually what we do is we stop the water from two ways and then we start the construction so that it doesn't harm the cement. It doesn't harm the structure. So there's obviously faulty work involved.
Okay, Mr. Das, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Let's quickly listen in to Tejashwi Yadav as well.
मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी मुख्यमंत्री बने तब से और अब तक ग्रामीण कार्य विभाग जो है केवल 18 महीने के लिए छोड़ दिया जाए तो सारा वक्त जो है जनता दल यूनाइटेड के पास ही रहा है ये मंत्रालय। और बिहार में लगातार धूल की घटनाएं हो रही है। लगभग जो है 1 दर्जन से ज्यादा जो है धूलें गिर चुकी हैं और हम तो केवल 18 महीने रहे और 18 महीने जब हम मंत्री रहे तो विभाग के पास तो पैसा ही नहीं था। 6 से 8 महीने तो विभाग में पैसा लाने में लगा और अब तक तो हम लोगों ने केवल पुल ही सैंक्शन किए थे और जो हम लोगों के कार्यकाल का जो 18 महीने तो अब बनना शुरू हुआ ही होगा या टेंडर की प्रक्रिया में होगी। लेकिन 18 महीने के अलावा 18 साल तक जनता दल यूनाइटेड के पास ग्रामीण कार्य विभाग रहा और ये सारे पुले वही है जो गिर रही है, जो कि जनता दल यूनाइटेड के टाइम का है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.